Hey there, I am Stellator612. Welcome to my channel. I show you the newest AI tools, and today is my favorite, Nexlev.io. Here are the most important things about this tool. Have fun.
Okay, what if you could stop guessing what to make next and start actually knowing what your next hit video should be? Today, we're diving into a really cool strategic toolkit built to give YouTube creators a serious data-driven edge.
For any creator out there, this is the million-dollar question, right? YouTube is just this massive sea of content, and trying to find real opportunities for growth, well, it can feel impossible. The real trick is spotting those trends and finding those little untapped niches before they totally blow up.
And that's exactly where a tool like Nexlev comes into play. It's a Chrome extension, and what it does is it puts this powerful layer of analytics right on top of the YouTube interface you already use every day. The whole point is to make all this data analysis feel like a natural part of your creative process.
All right, so here's how we're going to break it down. First, we'll touch on the big data problem on YouTube. Then, we'll get into the fun stuff, Nexlev's tools for research and checking out the competition. After that, we'll see how it can help your own personal workflow. And then finally, we'll talk about the bottom line. So, let's talk about turning all that YouTube chaos into some actual clarity. It all kicks off with a setup that's, well, surprisingly simple.
Getting started is literally a 3-step process. You just install the extension, you kick off a 14-day free trial, and that gives you access to every single premium feature, by the way, and then you pin it to your toolbar, so you can try the whole thing, no risk.
Now, let's get into the first big feature, Research in Discovery. This is where your YouTube homepage stops being just a feed and starts becoming like an active research dashboard.
Okay, so the real power here comes from the filters. Once you're on your homepage or a search page, you can instantly sort all the content. And the subs versus views filter, honestly, it's a game changer. It digs up these hidden gems, videos from tiny channels that are getting huge views. That right there is often the very first sign of a new trend.
And for you Shorts creators, this is awesome. As you're just scrolling through the Shorts feed, Nexlev puts these key channel stats right on the screen. You can instantly see how old a channel is, how many videos they've posted, their recent performance, all without ever having to leave the feed. It's so efficient.
All right, so you've used the discovery tools, you've found a promising video, a cool niche. What now? Well, the really important next step is to break it down and figure out why it's working so well.
And this is where the comment analyzer tool is just brilliant. With a single click, it scans all the comments and shows you the overall vibe. Is it positive, negative? But it goes even deeper than that. It pulls out the actual questions and suggestions people are leaving. I mean, that's basically a pre-validated list of video ideas being handed to you by your audience. Of course, none of this matters if the data is junk. Nexlev's prediction models for things like channel revenue and audience demographics, they claim an 85% accuracy rate. And that's actually among the best on the market. It's not a crystal ball for sure, but it is a really powerful place to start your planning. This data gives you this incredible 360-degree view of any channel out there. So you can quickly answer the big questions, right? Is this niche going to make any money? Who's the audience? And maybe most importantly, is it the same audience that I'm trying to reach?
Look, finding great ideas is one thing. Actually making the content is a whole other battle. So beyond just the research, Nexlev also has this whole suite of tools to help you work faster and stay way more organized.
And a perfect example of this is the new swipe file feature. Just think of it like your own personal research library for YouTube, built right in, so you can save all your ideas and inspiration in one spot. So here's how it works. You find something you like, could be a video, a thumbnail, a whole channel, or even just a little clip from a video. You just click, save it to your swipe file, you can add your own notes, tag it for context, and then organize it all into your own folders. It's a ridiculously powerful way to build up an idea library and even share it with your team.
And the suite is just packed with other little time savers that take care of all those tedious tasks. One-click thumbnail downloads, getting an AI-generated summary of a video, even placing all your mid-roll ads at once. It's all these little things designed to get the boring stuff out of your way so you can focus on being creative. And you know, this all comes back to a core design idea which this quote just nails. The goal isn't to be another complicated piece of software you have to learn. The goal is for it to blend so seamlessly into your workflow that you barely even notice it's there. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about the bottom line. Let's get into the pricing, the plans, and the overall value here. The pricing's super straightforward. You can go monthly, which gives you full access for $13 a month. But the yearly plan is where you can really save some cash. It already has a 30% discount. And you can usually find a 20% promo code to stack on top of that, which gets you pretty close to a 50% savings. So just to recap what you're really getting, you get that full 14-day free trial to try everything. Your privacy is a priority. They don't sell your data. If you have more than one channel, you can combine all your analytics in one place. And maybe best of all, the tool is always being updated with new features.
So there you have it. That's the Nexlev toolkit. It offers this really powerful layer of data and efficiency, but it does leave us with one final and I think really important question. When tools like this make data available to everybody, what is it that's going to make you stand out? I guess the answer isn't just in the data you find, but in the unique creativity you bring to it. And that's all for this explainer.
Now you can try it if you want. You can use my affiliate, so for you are zero costs, for me a little bonus if you try it. For more, come to my channel, click plus, and that's it. Thanks and bye-bye. Stellator 612.